miles per hour. Other locations in the warning include but are not limited to Malden, Pine City, St. John, Dune, and Lamont. This is a dangerous storm. If you are in its path, prepare immediately for damaging winds, destructive hail, and deadly cloud-to-ground lightning. People outside should move to a shelter, preferably inside a strong building, but away from windows. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8:15 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time for the following county: Whitman County, Washington. Pacific Daylight Time for the following county: Whitman County, Washington.